Hello students, from today onwards we are going to revise all the answers of the question of exercise 1.1. So we go from question number 1. Here it is asked that there will be a number line and on which temperature of some cities are given. So you have to tabulate on your copy. Here you will see that Lahore Spiti, the temperature of Lahore Spiti is minus 8 degrees C, Srinagar minus 2 degrees C, Shimla is 5 degrees C, Ooty is 14 degrees C, Bangalore 22 degrees C. We already know that when the temperature is more than 0 degree, it will be hottest, and the temperature which is less than 0 degree will be coldest. So we go another question number B. It is asked that what is the difference between hottest temperature and coldest temperature. So according to table, hottest temperature of Bangalore that will be 22 degrees C, and coldest temperature will be Lahore Spiti, its temperature is minus 8 degrees C. When the temperature difference will be taken, 22 minus 8 equal to 22 plus 8, because negative multiplied to negative will be always positive. So here will be positive sign be putted, and after that when we add, it will be 30 degrees C. Now a question number C, it is asked that what is the difference between temperature of Lahore Spiti and temperature of Srinagar. So according to table, we get here temperature of Lahore Spiti equal to minus 8 degrees C and temperature of Srinagar equal to minus 2 degrees C. When we differentiate, it will be minus 8 minus bracket minus 2, that means minus 8 plus 2 equal to minus 6 degrees C. So it will be the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar. Now a question number D, here asked that the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is less than temperature of Shimla. So first of all, we have to take temperature of Srinagar, it will be minus 2 degrees C, temperature of Shimla equal to 5 degrees C. When we taken together, it will be minus 2 plus 5, that means 3 degrees C. Now 3 degrees C is less than 5 degrees C, and temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees C. So we can say that temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla. In question number 2, it is asked that in a quiz, which positive marks are given at 5 for correct answer, and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. Jack's score in 5 successive rounds are 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. What was his total in the end? So Jack, when we get marks as 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, so total, that means we have to add all the marks which he gets in quiz competition. So 25 plus bracket minus 5 plus bracket minus 10 plus 15 plus 10, it is given. Now we have to solve that. When here see that plus minus sign is placed at each other, then will be plus minus multiplied to minus. When plus minus multiplied to, it will be minus, and plus sign is additive. So equal to 25 minus 5 minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Now equal to 20 minus 10 plus 15 plus 10, that means 10 plus 15 plus 10, and it will be 35 marks. So in 5 successive score, he total gets 35 marks. Yeah. In question number 3, it is given that temperature on Monday equal to minus 5 degrees C. Temperature, so it's a drop down 2 degrees C on Tuesday. So temperature on Tuesday equal to -5 -2. It will be -2 because temperature is dropped down. So when we write then -5 -2, both signs are same. So we have to add 5 to 5. When we add 5 to 2, it will be 7, and negative sign will be put before that one. So 7 degrees C because dropped by 2 degrees C. Temperature on Wednesday rose by 4 degrees C. So before that it will be -7 degrees C, and rose, that means ki plus 4, so it will be -3 because there will be opposite sign, and when there will be opposite sign we have to subtract, and after subtraction it will get 3, and 7 is the greatest digit, so before that negative sign is put, so we have to put the negative sign before that one, so -3 degrees C. So in this case temperature of Tuesday equal to -7 degrees C, and temperature on Wednesday equal to -3 degrees C. In question number 4, it is given that the height of plane equal to 5000 meter above the ground and depth of submarine equal to -1200 meter. So we have to find the distance between them. Height of the plane from the ground will be 5000 meter. It will be in positive sense because it is above the ground, and depth of the submarine will be in negative integer because it is below the below the ground level. So distance between plane and submarine will be 5000 minus bracket -1200, and here when minus is multiplied to minus, it will be plus. So 5000 plus 1200 is added, and it will be 6000 meters. In question number 5, Mohan deposited a sum of rupees 2000 in bank, and after that we withdraw the bank amount rupees 1642. So what is the balance? So amount deposited in bank account equal to rupees 2000. It will be deposited, so it will be positive in that sense. So balance equal to deposited amount minus withdrawn amount equal to 2000 minus 1642 equal to 352. Hence money left in account Mohan's account after withdrawal equal to rupees 358. So we can conclude that the money left in the account after withdrawal will be rupees 358. Now here will be some homework question are given. We have to find that arrange the integers 10, 0, 5, -5, -7 in ascending order and check which integer remains in the middle. That means first of all we have to arrange all the integers in ascending order, and we have to also find the which integer comes into the middle. Next, 3 consecutive numbers in the pattern. Here we see that there is a pattern 11, 8, 5, 2. We have to find more 3 integers observing the pattern. Now which integer is greater, 11 or -3? We have to put the greater or less, that sign in between the fill in the blanks, -3 into -5. So that's enough for today. Now we go from question number 6 tomorrow onwards. It's okay.